Good morning. I am Shravanti, pursuing MBA second year in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Srikakulam. Now I am going to share few things about Indra K. Nui. Indra Nui. The image itself tells us about what type of personality she has. She is called as the most powerful woman in business and one of the most influential women in the world. By knowing about her, we can understand why she is called so. Let's have a look at her biography. Indra Nui. Her full name is Indra Krishnamurthy Nui. She was born on 28th October 1955 in Chennai. Her parents are Krishnamurthy and Santa Krishnamurthy. Her spouse is Rajke Nui. She has children named Preta and Tara. She is well known as the CEO of Pepsi Company. She is born in such an era where women are limited to home only and also with so many restrictions. Although she became very successful in her career. Coming to her education, she was educated at Holy Angels Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School in Madras. She completed her bachelor's degree in the subjects of mathematics, physics and chemistry at Madras Christian College in 1974. She completed her post-graduation MBA at IIM Calcutta in 1976. She completed her master's degree in public and private management at Yale School of Management in 1980. While doing her master's, she faced so many financial issues. While studying, she did part-time job as a receptionist in the hostel at nights. And also there is one thing that you get really shocked about her is that she worked as a god of symmetry from midnight to early morning for fulfilling her financial requirements. Coming to her career, after completion of MBA, Nui's first job was with Total, a British textile company. Later, she was product manager at Johnson & Johnson Company. Then she became a director of international corporate strategy projects for Boston Consulting Group in 1980. Next, she joined Motorola in 1986 as the vice president and director of corporate strategy and planning. Then she moved to Asia Brown Boveri in 1990 and spent 4 years as vice president. Later, she joined PepsiCo in 1994 and was named CEO in 2006, replacing Steven Renman. When she joined Pepsi Company, it was in very problematic position, but Indra Nooyi changed it as a whole. After her entry, the PepsiCo became more successful with the strategies made by her. She became a game changer for the Pepsi Company. Now she is one of the board of directors at Amazon. No one can achieve success without supporters. Coming to Indra Nooyi, her best supporters are her family and organization. As a part of her role as a CEO, she has taken many strategic decisions in her career. Some of the strategic decisions taken by her are: she took the lead into the acquisition of Tropicana in 1998. She became the lead negotiator on Pepsi 13 billion purchase of Quaker Oats. She formed a team called Power of One America's Council and Global Snacks Group. She turns Pepsi Company, which was in restaurant business, into independent business. She creates a new distribution system which is very effective in reducing the cost and increase the sales of an organization. And she adopted a delivery system which is very unique, that is the direct store delivery system. With her intelligence and innovation, she got so many honors and awards. Some of them are: in 2007, she was awarded Padma Bhushan by Government of India. Next, in Forbes' fourth on the 2008 and 2009 list of the world's 100 most powerful women. In 2008, she was elected to the fellowship of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences. In 2008, Nooyi was named one of the America's best leader by US News and World Report. And she was appointed to the ICC board as the first independent female director. While managing an organization, she adopted some of the leadership styles. She usually followed democratic and situational style of leadership. She always tries to give consideration to her employees' opinion and motivate them to perform well. She always tries to fulfill the needs of employees and make the employees to perform best in their organization. She possesses all the qualities of a good leader. Here are some of the qualities that make her good leader. With courage and intelligence, she became more successful in her career. With innovation and energy, she became most powerful woman in the business. With inspiring and influencing personality, she became an inspiration to all of us. With vision and foresight, she is able to predict what will happen in the future in the business world. With an effective communication and self-confidence, she became a good motivator. Some of the famous quotes and sayings by Indra Nooyi. The more we can break the rules, the better off we are going to be. I wouldn't ask anybody to do something I wouldn't do myself. Remain a lifelong student, don't lose that curiosity. Although I am a CEO, I always think as a consumer. I look at my job as a passion, as a calling, not as a job. With these well sayings, we can understand what type of personality she has. She has such a type of amazing personality. So many entrepreneurs are there. The reason behind why I chose her is as she belongs to conservative family, but still she is able to fulfill her dreams and achieve great success in her life. She became an example for other women who think we can't achieve anything because we are women. She made it possible and proves nothing is impossible. She proves male dominating society that women can also achieve success in her life and also become a good leader. Indra Nooyi. She had faced so many difficulties and become successful by overcoming all the hurdles in her life. Finally, I concluded that to achieve success like Indra Nooyi, we have to be ourselves and utilize every opportunities which come in our life and work for hard it. Thank you.